Your product might be innovative, but if people don't understand it, it won't make an impact. That's why product videos matter. They don't just show features, they explain value. They answer the questions your audience is already asking. What does this do? How does it work? Why should I care? Mature buyers value clarity over flash. They want to see your product in action. They want to understand its purpose and how it fits into their workflow. Whether it's a SaaS platform, an enterprise's tool, or a complex solution, context is everything. Showing real use builds more trust than promises ever can. Well-crafted product videos reduce confusion. They educate users, they speed up decision making, and they support adoption after purchase. At Oodles Marketing, we create product videos designed for understanding first, engagement second, clear storytelling, real-world demonstrations, and smart pacing that keeps attention. When your product is easy to understand, it's easier to choose. Show your product the way it deserves. Contact Oodles today.